Hey everybody, Jay this side back with another question. Question number 17 from this book, which is an introduction to management science. I have the book over here and the solution um, to all the problems. So this solution, of course, is also available on check, but the answer that you would see is not as great because this is all done manually. And as you can see, total cost, so they just have the direct answers which will not give you the marks, and absolutely this is not what you might be looking in. You might be interested in the Excel workbook for this question number 17, and you would want all the answer in this format wherein you can generate the sensitivity report and the answer report from the solver. So this is the Excel file, and I'm going to share the question over here. It's a Frandec company that manufactures, assembles and rebuilds material equipment, blah blah blah. And this is the question with some information given for the inputs and the manufacturing and purchasing cost for the constraints. So I created the Excel file with the constraints and the maximizing formula. So this is the maximizing formula and these are the constraints. Here is the formula for my constraints. And this is the file that generates the bluish. Okay, so these are the variables. You can put them in green. There we go. So this is the sheet that is the solver tab that generates the answer. If you want this file and the solution step-by-step answer, just like part A, part B, and so on, step by step, you can get in touch with me. My phone number is here. It's 315-909-5210. It's a +1 number, US based, and my email address is giant@rggupta.com. I'm going to zoom it so that you guys can see it a little bit more clear. That's the phone number. Get in touch with me and I'll show you the step-by-step instructions. If you're stuck somewhere, you can, if you need help, absolutely get in touch with me. If you need the solution book to all the answers of this book, get in touch with me. Thank you for your time. I appreciate and have a great day ahead. Bye now.